How to add an app to favorites on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, press and hold any app and select Edit Home Screen. As you can see, the icons will start to wiggle and a minus sign will appear on each app icon. You can now hold and move the apps and place it anywhere you like on your home screen. You can also drag and group them together into one folder if you want. After that, change the name of the folder to Favorites as shown. You have now successfully created a favorite folder where you can add all your favorite apps. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. This way, you can enhance your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily add an app to favorites on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.